Trianga Mukhaikapada Paschimottanasana. So you'll need a chair and a bolster. So you'll take your bolster, come in front of your chair and kneel down on your bolster. From here, you can swing that right leg up, bring your hip through, and slide through to come onto your chair seat. So you want your knee tracking over top of the ankle and creating that nice square shape. Thigh is resting onto full support of the chair. If you're a little taller, you could place a brick underneath you. From here, your knee is on the bolster and you can curl that back toe under. Place your hands onto either side of the chair and slight bend in the elbows. Roll the inner elbows up and bicep up towards the ceiling. Dig the shoulder blades in, sternum forward, and ascend from the perineum to the navel, navel to the chest. Roll the shoulders back, dig the shoulder blades in, and then press firmly into either side of the chair here, and begin to roll the chest up, tailbone down and in. So holding here, prepping for our Virabhadrasana 1. A couple breaths here, and then release. Staying here, coming into our second pose, we'll extend out through the leg that's on the chair. Now we're just going to slide back ever so slightly now so that the calf is resting and most of the thigh is. Take your thumb and press that thigh down. Draw the femur bone firmly into the hip socket here and allow that left side to come slightly forward. So mid buttock comes forward. Place your hands back onto either side of the chair again. Elbow creases up towards the ceiling. Hug those outer shoulders in and then slightly bend into those elbows, sternum plate lifting, and extend forward over top of that right leg. And see if you can bring your chin to rest onto the back of the chair seat. Roll the shoulders away from the ears and dig those shoulder blades in, and then lift those elbows up, pressing into both sides of the chair. Few breaths here, and then inhale and come up, and you can slide out and change sides. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.